Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
As you begin to create your own custom reports within QuickBooks, you can create memorized report groups that allow you to organize your memorized reports in a way that makes sense for your company. Memorized report groups allow you to quickly print or view a batch of memorized reports at once. For illustrative purposes, QuickBooks comes with a few preset memorized report groups that contain common reporting examples in each grouping. You can add your own memorized reports to these memorized report groups, or you can create your own groups. When you create a memorized report, note that you can click the checkbox for Save in Memorized Report Group, and then select the desired memorized report group to save it into from the adjacent drop-down field. To create a new memorized report group, select Reports from the menu bar, roll down to the Memorized Reports command, and then choose Memorized Report List from the side menu that appears. In the Memorized Report List window, click the Memorized Report button, and then select New Group from the pop-up menu that appears. In the Name field of the new Memorized Report Group window, type a name for the new report group. Then click the OK button to have QuickBooks add this memorized report group to the list. Now, once you've added reports to the memorized report groups, you can then use the groups that appear within the memorized report list to batch print or batch display the reports contained within a selected group. To do this, just select the name of the memorized report group to print or display within the memorized report list. Then click either the Display or Print buttons shown at the bottom of the Memorized Report List window to open the Process Multiple Reports window. In this window, you can use the Select Memorized Reports from drop-down at the top of the window to select the desired memorized report group that contains the reports that you wish to batch, print, or display. Note that you can choose the Ungrouped Reports choice from this drop-down menu to select memorized reports that you have not saved into a memorized report group. For whichever grouping is selected, the reports within the group will then be displayed in the list below. If there are reports that you do not want to batch, print, or display, you can click the check mark at the left side of their name within this list to remove the check mark and deselect them. When you have the reports that you want to batch print or batch display selected, then click either the Display or Print buttons that appear at the bottom of this window to batch display or batch print the reports.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.